Hello everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to eat lobsters. So I bought 1, 2, and 3 fresh lobsters, still alive, pretty alive here. So before we start to steam, I will show you a little bit about how to differentiate a male and a female lobster. First, if you look at the first small pairs of leg here, you can see here this pair, small pair here, it says it's a female. This is a female. It's small, thin here, compared to a male. If you look here, the small pair of legs here are actually very thick. It's hard, yep, and it's longer, and it's pointing. It's pointing towards the head here. So this is it's a male. Sorry. So the second way to know if it's a male or a female is actually tail. If you look at the tail here, it's pretty straight, very straight, and it's smaller compared to a female. So if you take a look, both side by side, so you have the male and the female. Here you go. You see there's a small difference in the tails. And the last way, not very obvious, but it's a difference to identify a male or a female, is you look at the claw here. The male usually have a bigger claw, just a little bit bigger here. If you put side by side, you will see the claw is a bit bigger. There you go, it's a bit bigger. And that's it. Alright, so before we steam them, I'm going to actually freeze their brains. So how I'm going to do this? Simple. By throwing them on the ice. There you go. Go there. Swim in the snow. Build a snowman. Stay there. Have fun. Bye. And voila! Let's dig in. Oh, I cannot wait. I should start with, let's try the female. Alright. Okay. Take the claw out there. Alright. Okay, I like to eat the tail first. It's the best part. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Wow. Okay, so the way I cut this thing, it's well, pretty easy. I go right in the middle. Right in the middle. Here. Middle. And just squeeze it a little bit. Squeeze. There you go. Take it out. Nice and easy. Look at this. And if you look inside, in the female, it has eggs. Excellent. And want to dip in the sauce. We got some sauce here. Well, actually not the sauce, but the dip in the dip in pepper, salt and pepper. Here you go. Mixed with lemon. And here you go. Here you go. It's one of the best thing ever. Wow. This. There you go. And you take the whole claw out. There you go. And voila. Oh, nice piece. Juicy. Spare nothing. Wow. Unbelievable. Wow. Go. Cut into pieces here. And dip in the sauce. Excellent. Wow. Ooh. Cut this in half. And there you go. Got all this here. Bon appétit. And finally, we have the head. You take off like this. There you go. Look at the eggs inside. Look at this piece. Look at this. Wow. Oh goodness. Oh, it tastes buttery. Wow. Cut right in the middle. Right in the middle. All right. Wow. This piece. Oh, juicy. Oh, wonderful. Wow. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon.